Panchayat cannot have garbage treatment plants. Panchayat job is to collect the waste, segregate it, and give it to us. We have seen various orders coming up from High Court that Panchayat should treat the waste. Panchayat does not have the facility to treat the waste. They do not have.
चार पंचायतीचं
क्लस्टर
ते आधीच म्हणतात तुका वाय चार पंचायती 20 पंचायतीचो क्लस्टर कर आणि एक प्लांट घाल आम्ही घातला पाहिजे. So that is more economical. If you are going to set up a plant, how much money you are going to spend? Panchayat is not generating that much money in their own panchayat.
No, but we have seen some Gram Panchayat taking this resolution in their Gram Sabhas to set up their own garbage treatment plants.
दाखव मला एक facility दाखव गोव्यात. Show me. I will see where there is a facility like this. It is only on paper and the plan. In actually there is a shed because High Courtan इतले ऑर्डरी पास केल्या शेड आहा पण काय ट्रीटमेंट ना. ते म्हणटा आम्ही वर्मी कंपोस्टिंग करता काय ना भितर वर्म्स ना कोण ना.
So panchayats are fooling locals.
See, I'm not against the panchayat. I feel sorry that the High Court has said that since they are the panchayats are giving licenses for construction of buildings or whatever, house, flats, whatever, they are the people who have to take care of the waste generated by these societies, buildings, everything. Technically, yes, they are the one. But there is only one secretary over there, one peon is there, one clerk is there. And this panchayat body who is there. Maximum they can give a tender out to collect segregated waste. So where they are going to treat it? What they are going to do with that? Very few panchayats have got their own land. Like you go to Taligaon, they have their own land. But their vermi compost unit कितले म्हणून करतले तुम्ही? The wet waste which is generated is huge.
So what is the option left in front of the panchayats? Like it's a cluster system.
The government has stepped in because of that. Solid Waste Management Corporation is formed because of that. Waste Management Ministry is formed because of that. Our objective is to help the panchayat. They collect the waste because Panchayat Raj Act they are empowered to give licenses, to take care of their villages, to understand the difficulties of the villagers. They have to collect the waste, segregated waste, give it to us. We'll treat the waste.
So what action you can take on panchayats who doesn't do act to you?
All those panchayats who are empaneled with us right now, they are there.
All are not empaneled.
24 panchayats, 24 panchayats who are there. They have to give us segregated waste.
No, you spoke about 24 panchayats empaneled out of 190, sir.
See, it is a slow and steady we are doing this. First, 24 panchayats are there. Mafsa Municipal Council is collecting their own waste. Penjam is collecting. They are bailing out plastic, wet waste. They are right now giving us. Similar facility we want to do at Bangeni. Similar facility we are doing at Kakora. So for all these facilities, NABARD has sanctioned us loan. Bank of Maharashtra has sanctioned us loan. So why they are sanctioning us loan? Because they know the mission of our Prime Minister, Narendra Ji Modi, Swachh Bharat. So if you want to achieve this, all these facilities are required.